This is the Doorman security system short tutorial. So in this video, I will be showing you that how this specific script works. So first of all, you need to go to this link which is given into the video description, and then you just go to the admin panel for the script. Just click onto the admin panel and the admin panel will be opened. Now you just need to give the credentials. Here you can see the total doorbell, total building, total visitors. You can collapse or expand the drawer screen. Now what you need to do is add your building first. First of all, I'm going to add my new building. And then I'm going to add a doorbell specific to that building. And for that sake, I'm going to the doorbell section and now clicking onto the add doorbell button. So from here, I'm going to add my doorbell. So saving it, and you'll see that our details for the doorbell are given in front of our screen. So just clicking onto the OK button, now we will see that on the dashboard, which there were only 3 doorbells, which are now 4. Building is increased from 2 to 3. So the visitors for now is just 10. Let's just enroll a new user, a new visitor into this system. So for that sake, I'm going to go back to the check-in section. So now, a user must check in through this link. Just a user can simply input his all details into this form. And just creating the QR code now. The visitor who is going to attack the building will ensure that all the details are entered, and after this he will click onto the generate QR button, which will create a QR code for the doorman. And now the doorman will open the application. He will first sign in using the credentials that we had recently created. So now the user will click onto the doorman will click onto the sign in button, and after this the user name will be given, which is John David and now clicking onto the sign in button, and the doorman will be signed in. So after this, what we just need to do is clicking onto the scan button and going to scan the QR code. So after this, we just need to click the picture of the user. Let's say clicking onto the dummy user picture, and after that you'll see that picture will be displayed onto the screen. Clicking onto the OK button, and you'll see that the details of the John David are fetched from the server, and we can see the user here, and the user will be checked in after clicking onto the check-in button. So Brain Lara visitor is checked in successfully. We can see that Brain is checked in successfully. The doorman now wants to check out this user. We just need to click onto this tile, and now he can click onto the checkout button, and the Brain Lara will be checked out successfully. And if the doorman wants Braid to be checked in again, he can simply click onto this tile again, the check-in button will be activated, and then he can also check in again, and again he can check out as well. So this process can go as much as time, but the history of this specific user will be maintained. Moreover, a doorman can also manually check in the user from the application. Thank you.